Hey guys, today we'll try to understand how we can add shapes or we'll try to understand the shapes option available in Excel. Let me open a new spreadsheet. This is where we add shapes. Now, we know what Excel shapes are. Now, Excel shapes are available in the ribbon. If you press on Alt N, which is an insert option. Within insert, we have this illustration option. Yeah, so this is the illustration group. Within this illustration group, we have a command which is shape. So you have this option for shapes. As soon as I click on shape, it will open a new window which gives me various shapes. So these are my recently used shapes. These are lines which you can add. You can add rectangles. You can have some basic shapes like smiley or any other shapes that you want. You can have arrows being pointing out to your data. You can create a flow chart as well. You know, no programmers require flow charts to understand the programs. I can have some equations, shapes, or I can have some stars or banners to create kind of certificates or call outs to my data if I have to present it. This is mostly used for presentation. Now, Excel shapes are the basic building blocks for any child or adults or any professional. You can add multiple interactive shapes like squares, rectangles, arrows, and many more as I've shown you right now. Yeah. Now you can add a text string to it as well. Now we can have we can format those shapes as well to give some effects like color. I'll show you that as well while we go through the shapes. Yeah. Now there are various options available as I told you. You have lines, connectors, we have rectangles. We'll try to insert a shape right now. So let's start off by inserting a rectangle. So I will go to the shape option. I'll check for a rectangle here and I'm able to do it, or if I want to add a rounded rectangle or any other shape that I want, I'll just put a rounded rectangle as of now. So I put a rounded rectangle. As soon as I click on it, it will give the cursor changes to a plus sign. You can see my cursor which is moving has changed to a plus sign. Now I can go click on any of the space where I want the rectangle and just open the rectangle. I can just drag it with my mouse pointer with left click on or left click pressed till I get the proper shape that I want to. So I have created this shape that is blue in color. Now, as soon as I create a shape, let me remove all the drawings. As soon as I create a shape, there is a format option that has come up on the menu or the ribbon from where we can format this shape as in how I like it to be. Yeah. So let's explore this one by one. So I have added a rectangle. I have shown you how I have added the rectangle. Now suppose I want to add a text box, text to it. Yeah. If I want to add a text, I can just double click in the rectangle. Yeah. Or add a text box from here. Or I can edit shape. Yeah. Sorry. I can right click on it and add a edit text. Here I can say I can analyze. Yes, so I have added a text also inside. So if I try to select the text, it will allow me to make some changes to it. Yeah. So adding a text is very easy. What I have done is I have just right clicked on it and edit text, or you can just double click inside and you can add a text inside this shape. So this was how you add a text to the shape. Now let's try to try to play around or format this shape. So I have to select this shape to format it. So I have this format menu bar which is available. Let's try to change the color to some other pre-formatted color. So these are pre-formatted options that are available for this particular shape, and I can change it. I can make it green and white or black and white. Yeah. So I can change the look and feel by changing the colors within the already available options which are available in this box. Yeah. Now, if I do not want this pre-loaded thing to work, I want to have my own customization. Yeah. Suppose I want the inside color to be black. So I'll just change it to black. You can see this shape fill. I go to shape fill. I make it black. Yeah, but I'm not able to see the text. I will see how we can work along with the text as well. So I can have the shape fill. I can change the color how I want it to be. I can add a picture to it. Yeah. So if I want to add a picture, I can go to the relevant website and I can say uh, smiley, and I can have a good smiley inserted on my shape. Yes. I can have gradients, various gradients available as per the texture of the. I can have more gradients. I can have a texture as well. So there are various options which are available to fill inside this particular box. Yeah. So as soon as I clicked outside, I'm not on the shape. The format option has disabled. So I need to be on the shape to use the format option on the ribbon. Now this was towards filling color inside the box or inside the rectangle or the shape that you have added. You can change the outline. So I can have a much broader outline for my box. I can have a dashed outline. You can see the shape changing. I can change the color of my outline as well. So I can make the color of the outline. Suppose I want to make it not green, make it red like this. Okay, red. Yeah. So I can change the color of my outline. I can say no outline. I do not want any outline for this. So I can change it. So there's no outline. I can add an outline. I'm making it red as of now. Yeah. I can change the effects. So I can make it glow like this. You can see there is a glowing blue color that has come across behind the shape. Same way I can make it yellow. I can have a lot of glow colors. So there are a lot of other colors that are available which you can use depending on the glow that you want to. I have other glow options which I can use, soft edges and all, but let me not get into it. Let's use the format. So I can have an effect. I can give a bevel effect to my shape as well. Can see. I can have 3D options available. I have this option. I can click on it. Yeah. So there are various options available in effects as well, which you can use. I can have a reflection of the shape that I have. You can see there is a reflection that has come in. So this is to make your shape or how you want to present your data just to make it look good. Yeah, so I have created the shape, I have changed the color. Uh, I can add various effects to it. Yeah, that way. I can also change the text or the formatting of the text which is within the box. So here is the predefined formatting that you have to change the text. So that is more to do with the word style. So I can change the look of the word to orange or blue like this. Yeah, I can have this effect. Yeah. Or I can have my own customization. I can go to text field and I can change the color of the text. I can make it probably red. I can make the text red as well. Yeah, let me make it a little bigger so that you can view it 20, 28, 32. Okay, and let me make it center line. So let me go to the format once again. So these are predefined text formats. I do not need to, if I do not need to use it, I have this other options as well, which will help me to customize the text. Yeah. How do I do that? I can go to text field as I showed you and change the colors of the text that I have. I can have a gradient field. You can see this. I can have this textures within the text to be filled. You can see there is a change that is happening behind. Yeah. I can change the outline of the text. Currently, there is no outline. I can have an outline of black color. Can You can feel there is an outline that has come for the text. I can have a weighted outline. You can have much broader outlines as you would like. I can have dashed outlines, dotted outlines. You can see the effects that are coming on the screen in the box or in the rectangle or the shape that we have added. I can have a effect. I can have a glow effect to the text as well. I can transform the text so that it looks like this. So there are various shapes in which you can present your text to look good however you want, how you want to present this particular text while you are presenting, or while I usually use them to create some good looking dashboards. I use this as a heading, or I use this as a button for my actions that needs to be done on dashboards. So I can use text, I can bevel it. You can see what the effects that are that are happening as soon as I'm moving my cursor over the various shapes that are available. I can have a bevel effect, as I told you. I can have a glow. I can have a reflection as well of the text. You can see there is a reflection that is coming up in the box or in the shape that I have added. Yeah. So you can play around with the colors or the formatting of this text as and how you like it to be. Yeah. I can also increase the height of it from this particular format menu on the right hand side. If I want to increase or decrease the height, there are two ways. First, I can just select this and pull this dots that have come up on the right hand side to increase the width, or on the downside to increase the height. Yeah. On the other side, if you want some customized or a specific length, suppose I want this square to be 8 by 8. So I will say 8 centimeter by 8 centimeters so that it is perfect square for me. So I'll just add 8 here as well. So it is a perfect square for me right now. It is 8 by 8 square. I can rotate or align my shape by various options that are available. So I can rotate it. You can see I'll rotate it 90-degree, flip vertical. Yeah. So there are rotation options available as well. So this is how you can play around formatting your shapes as and how you like it. Yeah, I can change the shape type. I suppose I do not want rectangle. I wanted to change it to a triangle. Yeah. So how do I do that? So to do that, I'll go to edit shape, which is available here on the format screen. I'll say edit shape, change shape, and I'll select the triangle which is available. So let me see if a triangle is available here. Hmm. Yeah. So this is a triangle, isosceles triangle. So I'll click on that. Can find the shape has been changed. Okay. So I can add a new shape. Suppose I want to add a new shape now. And usually I use this for flowcharts. How do I use it for flowcharts? I connect the two shapes by a connector. So if I go to the shapes, I have this arrow options. Now, as I click on arrow option and I come on this particular triangle, you will find the dots have got highlighted. So I can connect this triangle with a rectangle from the dots which has got highlighted. So I'll click on the one of the dot from where I want to connect it. So from this, I want to connect to this rectangle. So as soon as I come on the rectangle, there are new dots that are coming up. Let me show it once again. So okay. So I want to add a connector. So showing arrow. So I go to this shape, check this dot that has come up as soon as I move my cursor. As soon as come to my rectangle, you'll find there are dots that has come on the edge of the rectangle. I can join any of the dots here. So I joined this dot which is available and you see both these shapes have got connected. Now if I move the rectangle anywhere, the arrow will keep on adjusting itself. So this is how I create flowcharts when I'm preparing for my any kind of presentations. So that's one way of using shapes, and that's probably 50 to 60% of my time I use my shapes towards showing something to my managers, or if I want to present any flow of thoughts to my managers. Yeah. So you can use this for formatting, for presentations or dashboards. Yeah. Hope you understood how you can use shapes in Excel as well as formatting them as and how you like it. Hope you like this video. Do like it and share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. And yes, I would like to get your comments if you want me to cover any of the topics in my 365 days of Excel. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you're going to get all my videos that gets uploaded on YouTube. Thank you so much.